The birds are so loud today. You can hear them all chirping. I have to sneak up on them. They've got like little babies who are doing all the chirping. Saying, feed me, I'm hungry. The pigeons are there. When they stop chirping, they're pretty much full. So here's the garden, pretty cool. But under here, under these bits of, I assume it's that plant, they've been cut in half to stop the growth of them. But underneath here is finally some strawberries. So I'm turned from flower to real strawberries. So that's pretty cool. They've just got to get a little bit riper and then can pick them. So probably a day or two. So I love strawberries, but you can't pick them when they're green. So that's around about of the first clutch. They'll probably be eaten by insects. There's a lot of different kinds of insects around. But yeah, so it's good that the strawberries are coming in.